call is now being recorded.
Objectives. Unit 1. Arrival of Europeans in India. We have discussed extra question, textual question, and theme questions. Now, first of all, we are moving towards blanks. Fill in the blanks. Here are few blanks. Is there anyone who can answer first blank? Only one blank. Very good. Nobody? Yeah. First blank is people of various countries were influenced by this and this. What influenced the people of various countries? Indian culture as well as Indian prosperity. Because India was rich, she was called Golden Bird. And that is why people of different countries attracted, as we know, first of all, Muhammad Ghazni, Muhammad Ghori attacked many times on India, robbed India, many temples, kings, and people. Then after, people of European countries came to India. Why? Because ours is the oldest culture as well as we were prosper. Next, these traders undertook the trade through land route. As we know, land route was going on between India and European countries. On the way, Constantinople was won by Turkish, and thus the trade was stopped. But the main question is who were going on with this trade? Who handled the trade? They were Arab. Very good. Third blank, Ganatra Siddhant.
Yes, sir. Question number 3. Natives of America are called Red Indians.
Very good. Natives of America. They are called Red Indians. Now, fourth one, Abhi Pratap.
Yes, sir. Vasco da Gama encircled blank in South Africa.
What? Encircle in South Africa. What was the last point in the south of South Africa? Yes, Siddharth.
Yes, sir. Vasco da Gama encircled dash in South Africa. Answer: Cape of Good Hope.
Very good. Cape of Good Hope. It was at the southern end of Africa, and Vasco da Gama encircled it. Next one, fifth blank, Radharia Dhey.
Okay, sir. Siraj-ud-Dullah became the Nawab in 1756.
Siraj ud Daulah, as we know, he was the Nawab of Bengal. He became the Nawab in 1756. Very good. Correct answer. Next blank. Again, I can see only one name, Rabaria Dhey. Okay, continue. Rabaria Dhey.
Okay, sir. The demand of commodities like silk, cotton cloth, muslin, black pepper, spices, etc. increased in European countries.
European countries, European market, you can get any of these. Very good. As the land route was stopped, the demand was increased. Very good. Next blank, Manna Sumodip.
Yes, sir. Christopher Columbus started his journey to India and reached America.
Very good. Christopher Columbus, an Italian explorer who believed that if we move towards west, we can reach east, means earth is round. And he, in place of India, he reached America. Very good. Next blank, blank number 8. We will read with answer. King of Calicut, who was? Siddharth.
Yes, sir. The king of Calicut dares gave permission to trade in India. The king of Calicut, Zamorin, gave permission to trade.
Very good. Zamorin. Zamorin was the king of Calicut in 1498 when Vasco da Gama reached India, or when Vasco da Gama found the sea route to India. He asked the permission from the king, and the king was Zamorin. Very good. Next one, Radariya Dhey.
sir.
Rabadiya.
Dash could not withstand the competition
No,
against the British.
nine. Ninth one.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Nine. A commander in the chief name. A. Sir, I can say the spelling.
No problem. You can answer as a spelling.
ALBUQURQE. Safeguard the fort of Calicut.
Very good. Commander in chief, namely Albuquerque, who safeguard the fort of Calicut. Very good. Now 10th one. Again Siddhant. Only two are answering.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Dares could not. What is in the dares? Yes, anyone else? Rabadiya Dhey, can you
Yes,
answer?
sir. Meanwhile, the British,
Yes, sir.
the Dutch could not withstand. The
Dares
Dutch.
could not. Very good, Dutch. With the competition against British. Very good. Next one. Dares emerged as a winner. Who emerged as a winner? Yes, Siddhant.
Yes, sir. The British emerged as a winner.
Very good. British emerged as a winner against French. As we know, British and French have tough competition, and therefore they were involved in dispute as well as many wars. Out of this, British emerged as a winner. Next blank means blank number 12. I can see only two names. Where are others? All of you have textbook. Many of you, maybe this exercise, yes, Vagadiya or Vagasya, I have seen one name.
Yes,
Read.
sir. British got permission from the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to trade with paying tax.
Without paying tax. Very good. Aurangzeb. Not Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan, when British entered in India during Surat, Shah Jahan was there. Without paying tax, it was started in Bengal, Calcutta, when its trading center was Calcutta. So that during those days, the Mughal emperor was Aurangzeb, not Shah Jahan. Good try. Yes, next one. 13, blank number 13. Manna Sumodip. Somdip.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sirajuddaula succeeded in expelling the British from Calcutta.
Sirajuddaula succeeded to expelling the British from Calcutta. First time, Siraj expelled the British from Calcutta. Next, 14. Siddhant, Ganatra Siddhant.
Yes, sir. Robert Clive conspired to murder Sirajuddaula.
Very good. Robert Clive, British officer, came from Chennai to fight against Bengal or Siraj. Correct answer, Sirajuddaula. Very good. 15th one. Yeah, only 3 for now. Vagasya Trusil.
Okay, sir. The company decided to replace Mir Jafar with Mir Qasim.
Very good. Mir Qasim, son-in-law of Mir Jafar. When company has dispute with Mir Jafar, at that time company replace him with his son-in-law Mir Qasim. In all, you can see Britishers' policy was to divide and rule. It anyhow to got the control and earn maximum money because they were traders, not politicians or governing person. Next few blanks are here. Blank number 16. Rabadia Dhiai.
Okay, sir. Combined forces meet the company forces at Boxer in 1764.
64. Very good. Combined force. Combined force means Awadh, Mughal, and Bengal. These three combined force met with Britishers in Battle of Buxar in 1764. Very good. Next one, I can see only Rabaria Dhiai. Rabaria Dhiai. Continue.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
Dhiai.
Mr.
Can you complete this wall with answer?
No, sir, all not.
Okay, no problem. Continue 17th.
Okay. Mr. Qasim was defeated by the Company of East India.
Very
The
good.
next I can say I am knowing.
Continue. Continue.
Okay. Battle of Plassey was turning point in the history of India.
Very good. Now 19. Ganatra Siddhant.
Yes, sir. Shahjahan gave permission to carry trade in India to the British.
Very good. When they came in Surat, Shahjahan gave them permission to trade in India. During the time, Shahjahan was ruling in Delhi. Next one. Again, Siddhant.
Okay, sir. Battle of Boxer was fought in 1764.
Very good. 1764, which is the landmark battle in Indian history. Battle of Buxar. Next.
Sir, these two I can say.
Who are you?
Gana President.
Okay, Dabhi Pratap, can you say these two?
Sir,
Yes, Dabhi Pratap.
I
Can you answer these two
no,
blanks?
sir, only one.
Okay, answers 21, 21st.
1 minute, no, sir. Yes. Screen problem is
Yeah, stop commenting. Okay, Sirajuddaula became the Nawab of Bengal in,
in
I think it
1756.
is repeated.
1756.
It is repeated. Last one.
Sir, can I?
After Battle of
Sir, can
Plassey. Yes, Munna, Sumodip, Somdip, if you can.
Yes, yes, sir, yes. After the Battle of Plassey, Mir Jafar became the Nawab of Bengal.
Yeah, as Robert Clive bribed Mir Jafar. British East India Company fulfilled their promise and made Mir Jafar or appoint Mir Jafar as the Nawab of Bengal. Very good. Now choose the correct option. Here, I will not provide you option. They are like answer in one word. First of all, read, don't comment. Who can answer all 5? Okay, Ganatra Siddhant.
Yes, sir. Who granted the permission to start trade in Bengal? Answer.
આવી ગયો છે.
Aurangzeb granted the permission to start trade. Shahjahan.
Correct. Yes, here is a typing error. Aurangzeb is correct answer. It is typing error. Aurangzeb is correct answer.
The French. When was the French East India Company established? The French East India Company was established in the year 1664 CE.
Very good. Then
When was the Battle of Plassey fought? Answer. The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1756.
7.
To whom did Robert Clive bribe? The
Yes.
Robert Clive bribed Mir Jafar.
Very good.
Where did Portuguese establish the fort in India? The Portuguese established the fort in Bengal at India.
Yeah, but here when option is not given, at that time first is the correct answer and first one was Calicut. Yes, we are going to revise. Who granted permission to the British to start trade in Bengal? Listen, if here Bengal, Aurangzeb. If it is Shahjahan, sorry, Surat, Shahjahan. Next, when was French East India Company established? The time is 1664. Third one, when was the Battle of Plassey fought? Battle of Plassey took place in 1757. Next one, to whom did Robert Clive bribe? As we know, Robert Clive bribed Mir Jafar. Last one, where did Portuguese establish their fort in India? First one was Calicut. Beside this, you can also tell other names. Bengal, Surat. Now last question. Make the following. Here option is there. I will give you 1 minute. First of all, stop comment so that everyone can listen whatever is going on the screen. Then when I ask, only then you can write in comments. Here are options. First of all, I read the question. French established fort of Calicut. Battle of Plassey. Battle of Buxar. Portuguese established fort at Calicut. British ship reached Surat. French East India Company established. Portuguese reached India. British East India Company established. Here, time is given, whatever the year is. Yeah, who can answer? All. You can read and think. I am giving you 1 minute. Okay, no problem. First one, who can answer? You can type in comment. First one. French established fort of Calicut. Okay, no problem. I mention all answer. Here you can see the answer. Nothing to explain. Name and date. You must remember. This way, first chapter is over. Before leaving the class, we are going with attendance.